In this video tutorial, we will try to multiply binomial with binomial, trinomial with trinomial and binomial with trinomial. Now, before that, I will brief you what is monomial, binomial and trinomial. Monomial is a polynomial with one term. In this example, it is 8y square, 2x or 6. Binomial is a polynomial with two terms, one is 2x and another is 3y. Trinomial is a polynomial with three terms, 3x minus y and 4z. Polynomial is the expression of the form a0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus an is a polynomial of degree n. One thing should be noted, a0 should not be equal to 0. a0, a1, an are all real numbers. Now one thing you should note that 6 is a constant and we can write constant like 6 into x power 0 because x power 0 is equal to 1. So let us try to multiply two binomials. I will show you two methods how to multiply two binomials. We will take the first term of the first bracket and multiply it with the second bracket. Then take the second term of the bracket and multiply it with the second bracket. Let us see how we will do it. We will take x, multiply it with 3x plus 4y. Then we will take the second term of the first bracket which is 2y and multiply it with 3x plus 4y. Now first multiply x with 3x, then multiply x with 4y. Now x with 3x will give you 3x square, x and 4y will give you 4xy. Then take 2y and multiply it with 3x, then 2y, multiply it with 4y. Now 2y into 3x will give you 6xy and 2y into 4y will give you 8y square. Now we know that we can add the like term in algebraic expression. So here 4xy and 6xy are like term. So we will add them and we'll write 10xy plus 8y square plus 3x square. Now we will multiply x plus 2y and 3x plus 4y with another method. First write the variables. Here x and y are the variables and the numerical value present before x and y are called the coefficient. So first write the variables x and y. The numerical coefficient of x is 1 here and y is 2. Write the numerical coefficient of the second bracket. For x it is 3 here and for y it is 4. Then you have to multiply this vertical. I'll write the answer of this vertical here. It is 8. Then crosswise 1 into 4 and 2 into 3. I will write 2 into 3 plus 1 into 4 and this is crosswise, right? And then next is 3 into 1. This is again a vertical. So it is 3. So since we are multiplying here x with x, so we'll write 3x square. 6 plus 4 will give you 10 and x and y and 8y square. So you can just by multiplying the coefficient in this manner we can get the answers of the two binomial easily. Similarly we can try for the multiplication of two trinomials. The method is same here. First we have to write the variables x square, x. Constant term can be written as x power 0. Now the coefficient of first bracket 2, x coefficient is minus 4 and x power 0 is 6. Now write the coefficient of the second bracket. The coefficient of the second bracket is 3, minus 7 and minus 2. First we will multiply the vertical 6 into minus 2. I'll write here separately. 6 into minus 2 will give you minus 12. Second, we will cross it. Minus 4 into minus 2 and 6 into minus 7. Minus 4 into minus 2 plus 6 into minus 7. On solving, we get it as minus 34. Third, we will multiply 2 into minus 2, 6 into 3 and minus 4 into minus 7. I'll write here 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 6 plus minus 4 into minus 7. On solving, we get this as 42. Fourth one is we will multiply 2 into minus 7 minus 4 into 3. 2 into minus 7 plus minus 4 into minus 3, which will be minus 26, and the last one, the first vertical, 2 into 3, which will give you answer as 6. So we will write down the coefficient from the extreme right. Right? This is minus 12, this is minus 34, next is 42, next is minus 26, next is 6. Write the coefficient x power 0 and x power 1, x power 2, x power 3, x power 4. So we are ready with our answer, which is equal to 6 x power 4 minus 26 x cube plus 42 x square minus 34 x minus 12. This is the answer for the multiplication of two trinomials in a easy and simplified manner. Next, we'll try to multiply two binomials with a trinomial. Now before that, we have to convert this binomial to trinomial. Since the x square term is missing, we can write it as 0x square plus x plus 9. Now the same method you have to follow. X square, x power 0, right? Coefficient 7, 6, 5, 0, 1 and 9. I will write first vertical as 45, 6 into 9, 5 into 1. On solving, we'll get 59. Similarly, 7 into 9, 5 into 0, 6 into 1. On solving, we'll get 69. 7 into 1, 6 into 0, we'll get 7. And last, the first vertical, it is 0. Then write x power 0, x power 1, x power 2, x power 3, x power 4. So our answer is 0 x power 4 plus 7x cube plus 69x square plus 59x plus 45. Or you can write 7x cube plus 69x square. So 59x plus 59x and 45. So we are ready with the answer of multiplication of a binomial and a trinomial. These are the problem for yourself. You can try this question on yourself, and in the next tutorial I will tell you the answer of these questions. Now please click on the like button and subscribe my channel. Goodbye. See you in the next tutorial.